welcome to your English Kaksha again. In this class, we are going to learn about public notice. What are public notice? Public notice in which the public is informed by the society president, secretary or the higher designated officers about any inconvenience, about the maintenance work, about the urgent meetings or different things that are supposed to be for the welfare of the society only. That comes in public notice. So here today we will learn how to tell or how to give information to the society about something important. Suppose in the society the maintenance work is going on and for 2-3 days water supply will be disturbed. Then how we will inform the people or the society members of a particular society. For that we have to write the name of the society on the top. As in the schools and institutions, we write the name of the institution or school on the top. In the same way, we have to write the society name on the top and then notice word. Again here, the date of issuing. That is very compulsory. After that, the information that we are going to announce or to declare about something, we will write that in the content. So let's see how we will write the content. From here, we will start giving the information regarding that problem. As I told you about the water supply that is going to be disturbed for 2-3 days, we are supposed to give the information to the society members. How we will write? All the residents of the society are informed sometimes you have seen that here it is written hereby informed. That is also correct, but if we are writing only are informed, that is also correct. So what I have written here, all the residents of the society are informed that about what we are going to inform them, about no water supply, that there will be no water supply for 2 days. When we are giving the particular duration, then we have to write or mention the particular date also. 2 days from which date? Suppose we are writing here from 26th, then coming 2 days the problem will be faced by the people. So here we have to write the next 2 days date. I am taking here 29 September to 30 September. Right? In this way we can mention the date. Now what is the need to inform it? So that the people of the society or the members of the society can make the proper arrangements to just combat from this situation. How we will write? All are requested. Why it is disturbed? If you want to write the reason, then you can. Due to repairs work and maintenance work. At water works of the society. So this is the reason why this problem is coming for 2 days. Fine. Now we will make a request to the people of the society to make the proper arrangements. So here we will write all are requested to make proper arrangements and store water. we are going to inform the people of the society that this problem is going to be faced by the society members. So all are requested to store the water for this and this particular day, right? So this is the information regarding the problem that the society is going to face. So this is called public notice, right? In the end, in the same as we are writing the name, then signature, name, and then designation of the issuing authority. In the society, mostly the president of the society or secretary of the society is supposed to give the information, right? So here we will write first signature, then name in capital letters, and then designation. Here I am writing president. Fine. So in this way we can give the information to the members of the society about any problem. Next we will see, whenever in the society a problem is created and members of the society are called for an emergency meeting, how the information will be given and how the solution can be found out together by the society members. Let's see. As I have written name of the society, notice and date. This will be same, but the content. Here also we will mention when, why, where and how. Right? So these factors we have to mention in this kind of notice. Let's see how we will write. Suppose I am going to write some antisocial elements are creating disturbance in the society and posing a threat to the security of the residents. Right? For that, an emergency meeting is called to seek out or to find out a solution. How we will give the information regarding this meeting to the society members. First, we will give the reason. It has been observed that very often some antisocial elements means the elements or people or animals, whatever you can say, that are creating disturbance in the society, that all comes in antisocial, right? So here I have taken antisocial elements word. Very often some antisocial elements enter in the society and pose a threat to whom? To the security of the residents. For this reason only an emergency meeting is called. An emergency meeting is arranged now. Here we will tell when it is arranged. On 26 is written here, so here we will write 28 September. Where it is arranged? In the community hall. When it is arranged? At 4 p.m. Right? So here when, where and where or what? All are there. Then we will see why it is arranged. To discuss the matter and to find a solution. information that we are supposed to give to the members of the society regarding any problem that is posing a threat to the security of the residents, right? After this, again same, first we will do signatures, then name and then designation. Here I am writing, doing signature, and then I have written here name, then designation. Here I am writing secretary of the society, right? In this way, in the public notice, main information is being provided to the public, that is the members of the society, right? Thank you.